Similar triangles are the same shape, just different sizes, like zooming in or out on a photo. Here, we know triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. The side lengths are AB equals 4, BC equals 6, AC equals 8, DE equals 2, and EF equals 3. We need to find the missing side, DF. The most important step is matching the correct sides. The order of the letters tells us which vertices correspond. In triangle ABC, similar to triangle DEF, A matches D, B matches E, and C matches F. That means side AB matches DE, BC matches EF, and AC matches DF. This is where many mistakes happen. If you match the wrong sides, the whole problem falls apart. So keep the order consistent. Now use a pair of matching sides to find the scale factor. Compare AB and DE. AB is 4 and DE is 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. That means triangle ABC is twice as large as triangle DEF. Every matching side follows that same scale factor. Since AC matches DF, those sides must also scale by 2. AC is 8, and the larger triangle is double the smaller one, so divide 8 by 2 to get the missing side. DF equals 4. Now verify the answer. BC matches EF, and 6 divided by 3 also equals 2. AC divided by DF is 8 divided by 4, which is again 2. Every pair gives the same ratio, so the triangles are consistent. The missing side length is 4 centimeters. Similar triangles work because all corresponding sides scale by the same amount. Once you find the scale factor, the rest becomes straightforward.